Good morning, everybody. Uh, let's come to the welcome back to the online class. Okay, in the previous session, we learned some information about homeopathy doctor and his friends, as well as the writer's information. What is the title of the our lesson? The Snake and the Mirror. Who is the writer? Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. When was he born? In 21 January 1908. His death year is 1994. Okay, let's see some points about our lesson. In the previous lesson, page number 3 is completed. In this part, let us see the page number 4. In the first paragraph onwards, let's see. When he got when he saw the mirror, he also tempted himself to look at his beauty in the mirror. And every person, you and I, as well as all members also wanted to see their face as handsome or beauty, and most of the things these are. And we also attach it to the mirror. Okay. As well as this doctor also showed his interest to see his admire of the beauty, as well as in that up to then we completed again and again. After some time, while he was looking at the mirror, looking into the mirror, he heard the sound. The sound resembles to the other door sound at the beginning, and in this time he also heard the same sound, but he could not find anymore. Okay, next let us see in next paragraph. I took a close look at my face in the mirror. I made an important decision. When he looked his face into the mirror, then he also took an important decision. What is the important decision? I would shave daily and grow a thin mustache to look more handsome. I was, after all, the bachelor and doctor. Okay, it is a paragraph. In this paragraph, what did he say? What did he say? Okay, when he looked into the mirror, then he took an important decision. The important decision is he wanted to shave daily. He wanted to grow his thin mustache. He wanted to look like a bachelor. He wanted to look like a doctor, real doctor. Because the reason is he wanted to look more handsome. Have understood? Okay. To show his handsomeness to the others, to attract others, to affectionate others, to make them attract others. He also had such ideas in his mind. Next paragraph. I looked into the mirror and smiled. Next time, he also looked into the mirror and he smiled. Yet his image cut into the mirror. And it was an attractive smile. When he looked into the mirror, when he smiled by seeing his face into the mirror, then he smiled and he praised his smile as it was an attractive smile. I made another earth-shaking decision. Then, when he smiled, at that time, he also took another decision. The second decision is earth-shaking decision. Okay, what is the decision it is? I would always keep the attractive smile on my face to look more handsome. I was, after all, a bachelor and a doctor too on top of it. Okay, in this paragraph, what did he say? In the second time, he took a earth-shaking decision. The earth-shaking decision is simply, the answer is the smile. He wanted to keep the smile on his face because he wanted to attract to others. His face also looked like a smiling face. By showing his smiling face to the others, then he also wanted to show his handsomeness. As well as he wanted to show his bachelor, as he was bachelor. He wanted to show his quality of his smile as a bachelor and as a doctor, and he wanted to become as a top of doctor. It is. Again came that noise from the above. While he was thinking in this way, while he was seeing his face into the mirror, while he was thinking in his mind about the several thoughts, several ideas, several incidents, then he also found. And he also heard the noise, which noise he heard by him in the previous. In the same way, here also he heard the same voice. Then, next paragraph. I got up, little beady, and paced up and down the room. Then another lovely thought struck me. I would get married to a woman doctor who had plenty of money and a good medical practice. She had to be fat for a valid reason. If I made some silly mistake and needed to run away, she should not be able to run after me and catch me. In this paragraph, the third decision is taken by him. After that, after some time, he took a beating and he lit that one. He also paced it down. That means walked down fast. He also walked from that place. He got up from the bench. He got up from the chair and he came forward from the room. And after that, he also got the lovely thought. The lovely thought is he wanted to get married. He wanted to get married. And that girl, that bride, his wife, should have the particular qualities. What are the qualities of the woman? The woman should be a woman doctor. As well as she should have plenty of money. As well as she should have a medical practice, good medical practice. And she should be a fat. Why did he apply these all reasons? What are the reasons? These are valuable reasons he considered. Why did he apply these all type of the reasons? Do you know? The reason is, if he made any silly mistake before her, then she also tried to catch him. At that time, he wanted to escape from her presence. Then she tried to catch him, but he also left the place and he wanted to escape from her. Then he wanted to get rid of from her. These all type of things these all reasons are given in that case. Then after that, next paragraph. With such thoughts in my mind, I resumed my seat in the chair in front of the table. There were no more sounds from above. Slowly and suddenly there came a dull tune, as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Surely nothing to worry about. Even so, I thought I would turn around and take a look. No sooner had I turned than a fat snake wriggled over the back of the chair and landed on my shoulder. The snakes landing on me and my turn were simultaneous. See, here, after these all ones, in this paragraph, the writer explained about the doctor's condition, what condition he had. He explained some of the movements, incidents, these all. And when he was in that condition, when he had several thoughts about his wife and his relation with his partner or companion, about these all ones, okay. At that time, when he had such a thoughts in his mind, he also resumed his seat in the chair. He also slowly got up from the chair, and in front of the door, he also placed the chair in front of the table. Slowly, he also stood up near the table, and after that, what happened is the sound was heard by him. Okay. After that, suddenly what happened is he observed the dull tube. Okay. rubber tube also fallen on his shoulder. He found these all. At that time, he also said himself, no need to worry, no need to worry up, no need to hurry up, nothing is going on, like that he felt. But simultaneously, he also turned towards the water was fallen on his shoulder. After that, what happened is slowly the fat snake he found on his shoulder, it also wriggled. Wriggled is called, that is in the meaning part. It moved towards the over his back of the chair, and it also landed on his shoulder. And the snake also landing on him, and the snake also moved around his body. It is happening. He found these organs. Next one. When he found the snake on his shoulder, when he found the snake on his child, then what happened? Let us see another part. Here. So, next paragraph, let us see. I didn't jump, I didn't tremble, I didn't cry out. There was no time to do any such thing. The snake slithered along my shoulder and coiled around my left arm above the elbow. The hood was spread out and its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches from my face. Okay, why these lines are explained. When the doctor had a snake on his shoulder, around his arm, at that time, what about the feeling he had? He said, he could not jump anymore. He could not tremble. Tremble is called shiver. He would not shiver himself. He also did not cry. Okay, as the snake fallen on his shoulder, and there was a time to do any such things in his life. So the doctor could not cry. The doctor could not jump. The doctor did not tremble. The doctor did not shiver or shaking. They could not be shaking. Here, next one is the snake slithered slowly. Slithered is slowly moved along his shoulder and coiled around. Okay, slowly what happened is the snake also moved towards the shoulder, and from his shoulder to his arm, and it also around towards his arm, and coiled around his left arm above the elbow, and the hood was spread out. Its head, it also expanded its hood, as well as its head was hardly 3 or 4 inches gap only. It also keep its head. It also keep its head towards his face, towards the doctor's face, and just the gap is 3 or 4 inches gap only to his face. And next paragraph. It would not be correct to say merely that I sat there holding my breath. I was turned to stone, but my mind was very active. The door opened into darkness. The room was surrounded by darkness. In the light of the lamp, I sat there like a stone image in the flesh. He lived as a flesh, but his sense also changed. His feelings, his emotions, his body, every part of his body, every organ of his body also turned into the stone, because he could not move, because he could not move anymore, because it is a poisonous. Dear students, shall I ask you one more question? Is it poisonous snake or else non-poisonous snake? Okay, whatever the snakes are moving around you in our native places, recognize this one. Maybe poisonous or non-poisonous. The snakes are poisonous. Some snakes are non-poisonous. But this strong or full-blooded cobra, it one also fell on his shoulder, and it also around his arm above the elbow, and he also found this one, especially when he found that incident, when he was in that condition, then the doors also were closed, not open. Okay, the doors also opened into darkness. When the doors are closed, the room also full of the darkness. He said indirectly or directly, as the room also encircled with the darkness or surrounded with the darkness. The room was surrounded by darkness. And in the light of the lamp, he only stood up, he only sat in the side, as he had on his shoulder a snake, and he sat there like a stone image in the flesh. He sat like a image, like a image cut, like a photosynthesis, as a photo. Okay, next one. I felt then the great presence of a creator of this world and this universe. He also remembered the creator. Who is the creator? The God. He remembered the God in that condition, in that incidents. And God was there. Suppose I said something and he did not like it. Okay, if he say any more thing about the God, about any more incidents, the God also did not accept his words because of these reasons. He also did not speak anymore. He also had some ideas because his body was formed as a stone, but his mind is working actively. He said these all ones. And I tried in my imagination to write in bright letters outside my little heart the words, "Oh God." Just inside he is thinking about the God. Outside he also stably, he also sat as a image, but he could not speak. His mind is working. In his mind, he also felt to write something on his little heart, outside of the little heart. Where did he write something? Where did he write, "Oh God"? On his little heart, outside of his little heart. Like that he felt. And there was some pain in my left arm. Okay, he also got some pain in his left arm because it was as if a thick leaden rod, no, a rod made of molten fire. The rod is melted with firing that one. As well as when the snake also rounded, encircled its arm, then the snake also grasped his arm. Because of that reason, he also got some pain in his left arm. Due to that reason, he also exposed his feelings, also expressed his feelings. These are was slowly but powerfully crushing my arm. He also felt very hard because it also grasped his left arm very powerfully. These are the arm was beginning to be drained of all strength. What could I do? This arm also was grasped powerfully. In that case, he also felt very hard due to those reasons. What to do, what not to do, he could not understand. These are ones. He was in the very dangerous condition. These all ones are applied. Yet my next paragraph, let us see. Yet my slightest movement, the snake would strike me. If he moves a little bit, then what happened? The snake also bite him. It is a condition. It was happened like that. He also felt. Death lurked 4 inches away. The death condition also reached to his just 4 inches gap only. And suppose he struck, it refers to the snake. If the suppose meaning if. For example, here if the snake bite him, what happened? Okay, what was the medicine I had to take? Okay, he questioned himself. One more thing. What about the question did he ask here? If the snake bite him, what about the medicine is taken by him? Okay, he also asked this type of the ones here. And he was in the confusion mood. And what type of the medicine is necessary? What about the medicine is taken by the doctor? Okay, he was in that mode. He was in that thoughts. But there were no medicines in the room. But he found the medicines nothing. no more medicine in the room, because even though he was a doctor, he could not arrange any medicine in the rented room. Where was the doctor live? Where was the doctor lived? Yes, rented room. Next, I was but a poor, foolish and stupid doctor. Then he scolded himself. Like he was a poor doctor, he was a foolish doctor, he was a stupid doctor, like that he also scolded himself. Because the reason is he could not arrange any medicine in the rented room. Due to that reason, I forgot my danger and smiled feebly at myself. He also severely thought of the condition when he had that snake on his body, around his left arm. Then he also thought severely about that condition, and he also scolded himself inside of his mind, but he could not speak any word before anyone. Is happening, and it seemed, next paragraph, let us see. It seemed as if God appreciated that. The snake turned its head. It looked into the mirror and saw its reflection. I do not claim that it was the first snake that had ever looked into the mirror, but it was certain that the snake was looking into the mirror. Was it admiring its own beauty? Was it trying to make an important decision about growing a mustache and using eyes shadow and mascara, or wearing a vermilion spot on its forehead? Slowly. One more thing here. The doctor also said that the God also helped him to turn the face of the snake toward the mirror. At that time, he appreciated the God. In that case, and the snake turned its head towards the mirror. Like that he felt, and he also said totally. And he looked into the mirror slowly. When the lamp is placed near the mirror, slowly, when the room is encircled with the darkness, enter room was there. Enter room also full of the darkness, and the snake also found the light near the mirror only, and it also saw the reflection into the mirror. And slowly what happened is it also moved towards the mirror, and he found he also had, homeopathic doctor also had several thoughts about the snake. Was it appreciating its beauty while it is seeing its face? These all questions are raised by him, and certainly, admiringly, and it also had a own beauty. As man prized their faces by seeing their faces into the mirror, how they were prizing their faces, as well as here, this snake also prizing its face, prizing its face and Valmerian, everything like that he also felt. And does it take any important decision? Did it have any important decision like growing a mustaches or using its eye shadow or some mascaras or some other vermilion spots, okay, arranging the colorful spots? Okay, these type of the ones are going on its head. Okay, these are questions which are raised by its. Understood? Okay, students, in this spot, the snake fell on his soul. Whose soul? Homeopathic doctor. Who said this all story? Homeopathic doctor. Who is the narrator? Homeopathic doctor. Who said this all entire information? Homeopathic doctor. So, homeopathic doctor only had such experience with the snake. Okay, what happened? Here, what happened? Let us see another one also. We have some other meanings. We can gather the meanings also. How to recognize these all ones. Students, let us see some meanings from this part. Here, shave is called the cut the hair or cut the mustaches. Okay. Next, paste up is called the walked past, and bead is sugar. Okay. Thin, lean, tude, sound. Tude is called the sound. resumed, took or moved, okay, moved forward or backward, wriggled, moved, okay. Next, land, stayed. Land. The snake also landed on his body. That it also stayed on his body. Next, leap, jump, okay, trample, shiver, and spread out, unfolded, and slightest small movement, or little movement, or slightest movement, climb a mess, vermilion, bright red in color. Okay, these all meanings. Let's say once we have to observe these all meanings. In the exam, in the homework system, you should write the meanings also. Get ready to write that one. And let us see some of the points. What points are given here? The doctor in this part. The doctor said some of the incidents. What incidents are given here? In this, especially in this part. In this part, the doctor also took a important decision. That important decision and as shaking decision, as well as the lovely thought also stuck to his mind. And what is the important decision? Important decision is he wanted to get married, and he wanted to select a girl who was a fat and plenty of money, who had plenty of money, and who had extra good medical practice, as well as some other things. These are important decisions. Next one is earth-shaking decision. Earth-shaking decision is called what is the earth-shaking decision? Next here, he also explained the lot of things. He wanted to grow the mustaches to appear as a handsome, and these are also important decision. Next one is he wanted to get married. He wanted to see a girl. These are ones. Next one is he wanted to show his smile all the time because he wanted to attract others. He wanted to show his attractive smile towards the others on his face. These are ones. These are. And first decision is important decision. Important decision is he wanted to grow the mustaches, as well as he wanted to look like a handsome one, as a bachelor, as a doctor, and he daily wanted to save. It is a first decision. Second decision is he wanted to show his smile as beautiful, one attractive smile towards others, and he wanted to attract to others. This is he wanted to show his bachelor as a doctor. He wanted to look like a handsome one. This is a second decision. Next one is he also got a lovely thought. That one is he wanted to get marry a woman who was fat and plenty of money, who had extra particular reasons, medical practice. Because whenever he made some silly mistakes, then that lady should not catch him. These are lovely thought. These are also explained. And gradually, while he was in that mood, he also faced the one problem. That problem is what is that one? The problem is the snake also fell on his shoulder. He also had some relation with that snake. These are happened. Next one is then he did not move. He did not make any sound. He did not cry out. He did not make any other lovely other things. And he also stayed as an image, and he maintained some other things, and he explained these all words. Next one is he also remembered the creator. What is the meaning of the creator? Creator is called creator. Creator is called God, the Almighty. Almighty. The Almighty. He remembered that one. The Almighty God only must save him, like that he felt. And these all ones. Okay, let us see these all ones. And then he praised the God. Automatically the snake also looked into the mirror. After that he also turned his face towards the mirror. It slowly moved towards the mirror, and he also got up from the chair. Okay, these all ones are happening. In the next part, let us see what the things are explained by Dr. Homeopathy Doctor. Okay, have understood, students? Up to now, the two parts what I said. Thank you.